Good morning. I wanted to give you quick directions on how to do today's social studies assignment. When you open up the Label Compass Rose assignment, the first 3 slides are what we went over yesterday in class and were also used for yesterday's assignment. So you have the compass rose, the cardinal directions, and then the intermediate directions. On slide 4, you are simply going to drag these boxes to where they go. So if I was going to do west, I would put it right over here, and then you're just going to click and drag the rest of those boxes to where they go. You may refer to slides 1 through 3 to help you. Then slide 5, there are 3 questions, and then you're just going to label this again. So you have the option, you can either label it just with the letters like W for West, or if you wanted to write it out, you could. Either way is fine. You may use abbreviations. Up here, the 3 questions. Why is it important to include a compass rose on a map? And so just write out why you think it's important. Why do we need compass roses on maps? And then what are the cardinal directions and what are the intermediate directions? So type the whole word on those. If you need to know spelling, you might refer to the slides above to help you. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.